Click on the link below to get price. The WatchDog NXT85c Dehumidifier proves to be a reliable and efficient solution for controlling humidity levels in medium to large spaces. With a sleek, compact design, it seamlessly fits into any environment, whether it's a basement, garage, or living area. This unit is specifically designed to remove excess moisture from the air, which is essential for preventing mold growth and maintaining a comfortable atmosphere. One of the standout features of the NXT85c is its impressive moisture removal capacity. Capable of extracting up to 85 pints of moisture per day, it is ideal for areas that are prone to dampness. The built-in hygrometer allows for precise humidity monitoring, and the unit automatically adjusts its operation based on the current humidity levels, ensuring optimal performance without consuming excessive energy. The operation of the WatchDog NXT85c is remarkably user-friendly. The digital control panel is intuitive, with clear readouts for humidity levels and settings. Users can easily set their desired humidity level, and the unit will efficiently work to reach and maintain that target. Moreover, the continuous drainage option is a game-changer. It allows for hassle-free operation, especially in spaces where regular emptying of the water tank would be inconvenient. Noise levels are another critical aspect, and the NXT85c operates relatively quietly compared to many dehumidifiers in its class. This is particularly beneficial in living spaces where loud appliances can be disruptive. However, while the unit is generally very effective, some users may find the initial investment slightly higher than other models. That said, the durability and energy efficiency it offers justify the cost in the long run. In conclusion, the WatchDog NXT85c Dehumidifier is a commendable choice for anyone looking to combat excess humidity in their home or workspace. With its high moisture removal capacity, user-friendly features, and efficient operation, this dehumidifier is a worthy investment for maintaining a healthy and comfortable environment.